Hey, Perry Jeffries here, your e-CFO, coming to you Monday, July 8th. This day is special to me, let me tell you. So, today is my Independence Day. 5 years ago today, July 8th, I was fired. Fired from my job, terminated, pink slip, however you want to identify it. And today is the day that I set out on my path for entrepreneurship. And 5 years later, we're here. And I just want to take the time to thank everybody who's had an impact on my life and my business. First, I want to thank my family. I want to thank my friends. Oddly enough, the day I was fired, the people who were at my house consoling me were my future wife. Had no idea I was going to marry her. I love you, babe. The best man, future best man in my wedding, Pernell, had no idea we would get to that point, and my sister. And if you were there that day, it was bad. And I'm just thankful. So I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my friends, like the Dathan Lumpkins of the world, who actually came into town to see me that weekend to help me, move forward and identify what the next move was going to be. I thank them. I thank my parents for instilling in me my work ethic and that attitude to never give up and to keep striving, and understanding that if the goal wasn't, oh yeah, you lost money, but I stayed focused on providing for my family, and that motivated me more than you'll ever know. So thank you to my parents, Perry and Amy Jeffries. I want to thank my clients. Oh my God. You don't have a business unless you have clients. And when I was fired and had a non-compete, I had clients who found me and reached out to me and said, Perry, where are you? You're our guy, you who I want to work with, and I'm forever grateful to you. So for my clients who found me and continued working with me immediately, to the clients who our paths may have crossed later on, and I got a chance to share my story with you, and you chose to work with an independent advisor, coach, versus going with a large corporation. You could have chosen to go with a large corporation with that perceived safety, but you chose to work with me, an individual who was sometimes working out of his home and working out of Panera, right? I thank you. Those clients, you clients, you never know how much I appreciate you and love you. And most of my clients are like friends and family. And just want to say thank you for the opportunity, because again, you don't have a business unless you have clients. And my clients are absolutely phenomenal, and I love you guys to death. But let me not forget my coaches. So let me not forget to mention them. No way I would be at this point now had it not been for the coaches in my life. Not the mentors, the coaches. The Monty Pattersons, the Austin Nestle's, who, spent time with me, gave me books to read, recommended books I read, held me accountable, gave me systems, gave me, that second set of eyes to take a look at my business and see where I had gaps to fill and what I needed to do to be able to scale my business, to be able to, support my family and provide for my children. I just want to thank. I can't thank those individuals enough, because no way I would be at the point I am right now without those conversations, without that coaching, and just want to thank all of those individuals. So again, I'm just eternally grateful. I'm eternally grateful to be here 5 years, and it has been a hard 5 years. Contrary to what some of you believe, I didn't just jump out here like, oh, I'm going to be independent. I'm going to be the entrepreneur CFO. This shit has been hard, extremely hard, and had days where I wanted to give up, where I wanted to work on my resume and go get a job, and burning through all of my retirement, burning through all of my savings, but still pushing, sleepless nights. I mean, this has been extremely hard, and and to get to the point now that, you know, to go from July 8th, 2014, being walked out of my job, to where now we're doing news segments on Fox, to where we're a national speaker being flown across the country to give workshops to some of the sharpest individuals in the world, to doing national segments on TV, to having clients from the East Coast to the West Coast. I'm just thankful, I'm grateful, and we're not done, because we haven't made it. We completed 5 years, and that's more than what a lot of businesses can say. 5 years. And that's not 5 years, oh, I'm kind of doing this part-time. No, this is 5 years all in. At one point in time, I had to go back to the gym and do some training, just to have some money come in, because I was burning through and running through so much of my savings and investments to just try to stop the bleeding. But I'm talking about 5 years all in doing this piece. And we're starting to turn the corner and be in a position to and not comfortable, but be in a position to be able to provide for my family, take some pressure off of my wife, be able to do things and have my daughters in extracurricular activities and things of that nature, and just thankful. That's the word I just have today. It's just thankful and grateful, and to, again, my family, my phenomenal parents, my sister, my rock, held me down, to my friends, my fraternity brothers that came to me and helped me out, to my friends in Akron, my Johnny Osby's, my Cameron Mack, my De'Ara McEady's. I just want to say thank you. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, those conversations of saying, hey, Perry, man, we believe in you. You can do this. My friend telling me, man, you're built for this. Your job wasn't paying you, but you were worth anyway. You're built for this. Man, those conversations are priceless. And I just thank you all for that. So today, I'm probably going to be mushy and mad emotional. So I'm going to be posting the rest of the day, and decided that I'm going to tell my full story tonight on Facebook Live, probably around 7 or 8 o'clock or so, and just share, my journey over the past 5 years, just so you can hear a real testimonial. No fluff, no BS, telling you exactly how we got to the point that we are right now and where we're going, and just hope that those words can be a blessing to somebody else who may be struggling in their business, or torn between staying where they are or jumping out on their own, or been forced to jump out on their own and trying to figure out what to do. So again, friends and family, coaches, my clients, my past clients who've been rocking with me since when I first became a financial advisor, been rocking with me since 2004, 2005. Been rocking with each other, going on 2 decades. Like, I love y'all. I love y'all to death. And that's all I have to say, man. So, hey, Perry Jeffries coming to you this morning, Monday motivation, and look for more posts and everything from us today, as I just shared my journey, and hope I can be a blessing to y'all and anything that you're trying to get accomplished. So whether it be in your family, whether it's your finances, whether your business, because, hey, I've been there. It's not too much you could tell me that I haven't seen or experienced myself. So, peace, mad love. We'll catch up with y'all soon. Stay tuned.